Today's job is looking at the dorade, the air vent that got taken away in my knockdown south of New Zealand in May of 2019, and Cree's going to come and help me just sort that out. But in fact, that nut is coming loose. I think I might be able to do it by myself. We'll have a look on top and see how that goes. It's a little bit broken there, but I've got all the bits and pieces, so hopefully I can get that a new dorade put in place, and that would be another job ticked off the list today. That would be really good. Okay, nearly there. That's about to come off, and then we can go around on deck and have a look and take off the wood that's covering that hole that was left behind when the air vent got taken away by the knockdown. So these are the new bits and pieces. Obviously that top cowling and the bit that it sits on I'm going to need, but these other bits here may or may not need those. We'll just see what damage has been caused by the cowling being torn away from this part of the air vent. So we'll just see how that goes. So here we are trying to remove this item that's stuck down on deck. It's well and truly stuck down, of course, but what we need to do is to replace it with a new item, and it's just going to take a bit of time and effort, but it is a lovely sunny day, beautiful sunshine, hardly any wind, slight breeze, only a touch of a breeze. So we'll just keep on going until we've got this item off here. It's just have to get underneath it and get the detach the sealant that's been used to hold it down. Well, it seems to be coming. There we go. It's didn't in fact take as long as I thought it was going to take to get it off. So now we've just got to deal with the rest of it now. Okay, we're getting there. Well, it's a sunny but rather cold, windy day here in Berkeley Marine Centre, but that air vent dorade is finally back in place. Let the sealant set, and then I can tighten up on the screws a bit more. Anyway, hopefully that will stay in place forevermore. Okay, and now we just have to change the cowling on the other side just to match it, looking nice and smart and clean and new. Okay, thanks very much. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done, and we'll see how this sound goes with the wind blowing on the mic. Bye for now.